How to create quiz using NotebookLM. First of all, open the NotebookLM by searching for notebook.google.com in any browser. You can also open the NotebookLM application if you want. Make sure to open the notebook of your choice. Once you do that, first of all, upload the sources from which the quiz should be created. Click on the option Add Sources that you can see at left. You can search the way for new sources. You can also drop your files over here. You can find the options like upload files, websites, drive and copied text. You can click on the option of your choice in order to upload the sources. I've already uploaded my file as the source over here. So in order to create the quiz, look at left. You can see various options. Find the option for quiz and click on it. Wait for a while. You can see over here the quiz is being generated. After a while the quiz will be generated. What you have to do is simply click on it. Now you'll be able to see the quiz created by NotebookLM over here. Like this, you'll be able to create quiz using NotebookLM. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.